Hello viewers, welcome you all for earthwork calculation using Excel application. Here is a problem. Work out the quantity of earthwork for a proposed road 7.5 meter wide. Side slope is of 1:1. Breadth, the given problem is of 7.5 meter. If I divide the slope, that is horizontal by vertical, I will get the value of S as 1. Here I have noted down the formation level as well as the ground level values for the corresponding station, for which I have to calculate the depth first. For that, you type equal sign, open the bracket, formation level minus ground level will give you the depth for a particular station. If you drag it, you will get the depth for corresponding stations. In order to calculate the quantity of earthwork, I am using midsection area method, means we will be calculating the average depth. For that, you type equal sign, you open the bracket, or you can type average. You select two depths for which you have to calculate the mean. You close the bracket, you press enter, you will get the mean depth. Then if you drag it, you will get the mean depth of corresponding changes or stations. The embankment of a road is usually of trapezoidal section. The area of trapezoid is given by BD plus ND square, which is comprising of central rectangular portion and triangular portion on either sides. We shall calculate the triangle area and rectangle area separately. We can sum it up at the last in order to obtain the total area. In order to calculate the central area, which is of rectangle, it is B into D. For that, you type equal sign, you open the bracket, you have to multiply the B value with the mean depth. Here I am getting the area as negative, but area cannot be negative. For that, after equals, you have to type ABS, means I am taking only the absolute value here. Then B value won't change over the entire program. Not to keep it as constant, I have to introduce $sign before and after the alphabet. Now if you drag it, you will get the areas for corresponding mean depths. On the same lines, you can calculate for the area for triangular portion. For that, you type equal sign, you open the bracket, you select S value, which has to be multiplied with the mean depth square. For square I am using cap. You close the bracket, press enter. Even slope is also, S value is also constant, which throughout the entire problem. You can reduce $sign before and after the alphabet, not keep it as constant. If you drag it, you will get the areas for corresponding mean depths. Now to obtain the total area, I have to add central rectangle area and triangle area on either sides. If you drag it, you will get the total area for corresponding mean depths. Next, in order to calculate the interval, I have to subtract two changes to get the interval between them. Now if you drag it, you will get the interval between corresponding changes. Then quantity of earthwork in cutting part is calculated for negative depths, and quantity of earthwork in filling will be calculated for the positive depths. That is equal to, I have to multiply the area with corresponding intervals. Only for negative mean depths. Then for positive mean depths, I have to calculate the earthwork in filling part. That is area into corresponding interval. Drag it, you get the quantity of earthwork in filling for corresponding mean depths. Then you have to sum it up at the last. For that, you type equals, you type sum, You select the range for which you have to add the values. Here also you have to do the same. The type equals, then type sum. You select the range. You close the bracket. You will get the quantity of earthwork in cutting and filling. For which you have to plot a graph between station, formation level, and ground level. I have selected these three columns. You go to insert, you select scatter. I have obtained a graph for which I have to name the legends. Here I have plotted a graph between changes, formation level and ground level. This is the part where I have to cut the soil. This is the part where I have to fill the soil. Thank you for watching this video.